Welcome to your Jewel looping pliers tutorial. Let me show you the foolproof technique. First, locate these two key parts. The looping gap, that's where your wire bends, and the cutting gap right next to it. Gently insert your wire into both gaps simultaneously. Now here's the pro tip. Don't squeeze handles yet. See this red alignment dot? You'll bend the wire to the left until it sits flush right above this dot. This bend is absolutely crucial. It's what gives you that perfect shape. Now apply firm, even pressure on the handles. A professional grade loop every single time. Remember the golden rule, bend first then squeeze. Skipping the bend? That's how beginners get messy loops. Let's repeat this process a few times. Bend then squeeze. Bend then squeeze. Pro tips. Bend first then squeeze, the golden rule. Keep the wire firmly above the red dot for consistent results. Practice 3 to 5 times to build muscle memory. Remember, perfect loops start with proper bending. Happy looping!